everyone. It's me again, DaBrasilianaire. I am late today. It's already 9:32. And this is the SPX. Testing the lower band already in 15 on the 5 minute. The 15 minutes only touched once. MACD is going close. We do have a potential play right here. Can come and test this 511s, see what happens. As far as the daily goes, MACD is still closed above the histogram. 4 hours going close and above the histogram. Testing this medium. 1 hour, MACD is closed under the histogram. I'm going to be waiting to come and test this lows again. But if we were better prepared, most likely we'll be buying this right here, this dip. But let's see what happens. I want to wait for a little bit. See if you can come and test this lows over here to create the double bottom. So to push back up again. Right now in the SPX, we can go 0.03 and push our count to 98.98%. And this is exactly what we're going to do today. Now we're just on the waiting game. We didn't get in over here because we were not prepared to show up late. Would I get in here? Possibly. Did I get in here? No, because I was late. Now we have to wait. Here it comes. 3. We will be doing a buy. Goes here. This will possibly be a good buy. I want her to come one more time and one more lower. Here. No, come back. Come back. No. Come back. Right here. Here, then we'll go back up. It's already a 10-point move right here. Just because I wanted to get in a little bit lower. It's crazy how this shit works. And you go still underneath the band. Under the band. Possibly going above the band. On a 5 minute. And a 15 minute under the band. Going above the band. Possibly. And 1 minute in. That's crazy. Just because I wanted to get in a little bit lower to see if it would go with this double bottom right here. From here to here. So just because about one or 2 points. So 512 to 511, possibly like 510 or so. 12. This is 12 points already. 12 points. 12 times 3. That will be 36 already. Yeah, 36 already. $36. $36 possibly will almost put us to the NAS 100. And look over here in the NAS 100. Pretty much the same as I play on the NAS 100. But in the NAS 100 goes from 0.77 all the way up to 193. So about 120 points or so. Same as I play. 120 points versus a 12 point. See that? Just because I want to get in a little bit lower. Wow. That's crazy. 512 to 528. 16-point move. Sometimes it be that way. Sometimes be waiting for a to come and reach a price and then he doesn't and you just don't get in. Then if you look here in the NAS, same thing, underneath the band on the 15 minute, going above the band on the 15 minute. On the 5 minute, underneath the band, going above the band. Pretty much almost the same thing on the 1 minute. Underneath the band, going all the way up again, so almost above the band. You can take a risky buy here. This is what a risky play would look like. It's a risky trade. I just shorted up here for no specific reason, just because, no reason really. There you go, position closed. This, there you go. And sometimes you just get in this on this, just getting these loops that there was no reason to take that trade. No specific reason whatsoever. Zero. You got took another short for no reason at all. Down $7.14. How much we are down today already? 714. Can take my profits right now and be green on the day. I just moved this to break even. Wow. Wow. These trades right here were done out of frustration because we did miss this buy right here that we did, I did talk about taking all the way up there again. I did talk about it. We did get prepared for it, but never executed because I wanted to go a little bit lower. So then we took a shorts up here. It wasn't even ready yet. I don't think so. But those trades were just done out of frustration. I could have been a little bit better, I would say. Down 714 on the day. We had the opportunity to take profits and be green on the day, but we didn't. MACD seems to find some support here, so possibly continuing the way up. If I would have moved my stop loss over here, would definitely have taken out. But since I never pressed confirm, we didn't. Now I did move it right now. And it's finding some support here in the medium. Looks like I'm about to take me out. Yep. There it is. Now it seems like they're about to go back down again. Now it comes to the point like where you start feeling frustrated, like annoyed with your own self. Pretty annoyed with my own self. I should not be taking any more trades on how I'm feeling right now. I'm buying this dip. I'm buying this dip because of pre-market support right here, which is imaginary support. It's not really a good trade. You only have 4 points to the upside, but it's not good. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you guys want to do something, learn from my own mistakes, because this is the mistakes that I'm doing right now. Not purposely. This is exactly how I would be trading and being forced trades, you see. So now we have 3 trades that forced. That wasn't really a good setup trade, but then we still took it because we were frustrated because we missed this trade right here. We missed this trade. It could have paid us very nicely on this one. So we were frustrated, and it's not really a way on how to trade. So this is the mistakes that I be making a lot of the times on my live account, and then it costs me a lot of my time and a lot of my of the funds that is necessary to keep on pushing the account. We were green over here on this one trade to put us green on the day, and then over here as well, but then we never took the profits. Now I just bought it again, and then it just becomes like this cycle that, see, look, it comes this cycle that like sometimes you just get stuck on that you really have to work on. It's frustrating. Frustrating, my own frustration, not the stock market. Stock market didn't do anything. You're just doing this thing. I'm not blaming that. I'm just blaming me. It's me. And there it is. Like, and then this shit happens like so fast because now we already down $22 on the day instead of catching this one trade that I did talk about going all the way up here. And then it comes because I moved my stop loss up a little bit. Like I moved my stop loss out of this short right here for a little too early, and then there it is. So like frustration from this trade, and then frustration on moving my stop loss a little bit too early on this one, and then me wanting to buy right here, making something happen. So it's annoying. It's annoying for my on my own self, not on the market, not on the SPX, not blaming anybody. It's me. I do this to myself. Why? I don't. It's just sometimes like I wish I knew because I would have fixed it already. I wish I knew. I wished I knew. So then it comes like over trading. So now like the trade comes over here to exactly where we wanted before again. It touched 511 right there. Like, do I get in? Do I not? It's crazy. He plays like even though it's just a demo account, don't really mean anything. Like you're practicing, but still puts you on this like on the state of mind that it gets you all messed up in your head. So then you don't have the confidence on be buying here. Here's a double bottom. Just play tricks in your head. So technically speaking, could have caught this one buy going up over there and then this one short coming down here again. See how it works? It could have been done both. This one and this one. If I did not move my stop loss too early on this one, we would have been good. We have caught to the upside and then shorted up there. This is like what we want to do. You want to be buying this. You want to be buying these dips, and then you want to be shorting the tops. And that's how you want to be playing. See, look, now I just bought it. So now it's about to take me out again, just for the heck of it, because now you're just on this psychological loop that I gotta fix this, man. About to take me out. There you go. Great. And that is exactly how you blow up accounts right here. Exactly how you blow up accounts. Oh, cacete. Yes, man. Now we already down like $30 pretty much. So if there is any hope for having like a green day, you gotta catch a 15 point right here. And the SPX is moved slow. This is crazy. Like, this is crazy. And we caught all this on the screen recording. I shouldn't even be trading anymore, really. That is one of my personal rules, that if you have like 3 red trades in a row, you should not be playing anymore. So this is our first trade right here with the 714. And then this one that we also took a short at 524.89, and it came all the way down here to 507. So if you have never moved our stop loss down a little too early, he almost took me out the first time, but I never pressed confirm. So once he came down over here again, then I did, and he came back up, took me out, and then he just washed all the way back down again. Which this is exactly what I would be looking for, but no, all this is my own fault. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red trades in a row already, and it's the 5th one because about to take me out right there. It's incredible. Incredible how it works, and you can learn from my mistakes. That's not how to trade stocks right here. Like one day you do good, the next day you just horrible performance, emotions all over the place. Oh yeah. This is crazy. All started by showing up late. I show up at 9:31 because I overslept. So it started with mistake number 1 of showing up late. Then we had the trade idea right, but we were waiting for a little bit lower. You don't want to chase this. Didn't chase, which we did do good. But then that created frustration because it worked exactly how you wanted to work. And then you took a short over here at 522, and then we had a stop loss over here. I wanted to move a stop loss up a little bit, but then didn't have enough time to do it. Then we shorted again, and I almost moved my stop loss, and then I didn't. I waited. Once it came down here, I moved my stop loss down to break even. Came back up, took me out. And then I wanted to start buying over here, thinking that it's going to push back up again. And the whole thing, and this went all the way down here. So then I bought it again over here. And it could be a lot worse. I can be a lot better. Now we kind of like P&L trading because we always want to be green, right? I don't want to be red on the day. I want to be green. Then you start playing with the numbers like, oh, if it goes all the way up over here, for me to be green on the day, it needs to come like above of it. More than this, it needs to come. So if it does go to the high of the day, I would be green. So we're gonna put like right there. It goes up there, we'll be green in the day by $1 or $2. Is it going up there? I don't know. Possibly. Maybe, maybe not. That's the thing about trading. We don't ever know what's gonna happen. You only take trades based upon your own self hypothesis. So now, do I move my stop loss to break even? No. Maybe. There you go. Move my stop loss to break even. Watch. Every time you move your stop loss to break even, jungle line bump, just take you out. Every time. See, look, there he goes. It goes straight to your stop loss. Every time. Every time. Every time. And now it should just wait. He's either going to take you out in your stop loss or go to your take profits. One or the other.
You're still recording.
Yes, I am.
But how come you're not talking?
Because you just wait for it to take profit.
And where did you take profits?
528.
Right on this one?
Yep, on the dotted line.
But not on that dotted line?
The dotted line, the lower one is the stop loss.
Both of them are the stop loss?
No. And here comes the question, like, do I take profits right there? Or do I continue P&L trading? Or if he comes back all the way back down again to stop loss. 444. Yay. This is the time where a lot of questions start popping up in your head. Do I just take the profits here and call it quits? Do I allow to go to my take profits? Yes, it's only 4 points away, but SPX takes like an eternity to move 4 points. Oh, great. Now it's 6 points. MACD already on the 1 minute. It's already making his way down. It's already curling. 5 minute. Still green. So you do have potential to keep on going up. Potential. MACD on the 15 still green. Almost there. Take profits. You gotta get above this 525, really. And you see, this is the support resistance lines that we did yesterday. It's crazy how this still works. You just go already. You take profits right now, at least you'll be near break even. All right, take profit hit. Let's go. Call all this action screen recording and still making his way up. Cool. I'm just waiting for the trade right here to update. But this is the first trade, our second trade, and then there's other trades, and just waiting for it to update. Sometimes it takes a little while. But yeah, overall, good trading day. Emotional. Got a little frustrated. Very good action overall over here. I'm proud of myself. I could have done a lot better, but still showed up today. We made mistakes. Now we get to study these mistakes later on, and life continues. I could have traded a lot better and have better results, but the important thing is that we showed up, we executed to the best of our abilities, and we continue doing it. That's the key. So, thank you. Come on, man, update. Boom, there it is. 3,384. Now we are $3.88 green on the day. So I think this is it. I think this is it. So thank you guys. I love you. Yeah, stay profitable, my friend.